Hi friends. Malwarebytes Premium is a comprehensive security solution that protects your system in real time against viruses, ransomware, exploit attacks and malicious web pages, which third-party antivirus programs cannot detect. Malwarebytes is updated very often, which allows you to stay protected from every new treat that comes out. This video contains detailed instructions on how to install and clean your computer with Malwarebytes. First, download Malwarebytes Premium from this site. After the 14-day trial period, Malwarebytes reverts to a free version, but without real-time protection for ransomware, viruses or malware programs. When the download is completed, run the installer file to start the installation of Malwarebytes. At the installation screens, choose your preferred language, and just press the next button in all installation screens to install the product. When the installation is completed, launch Malwarebytes Premium Trial and press the Scan Now button to start scanning your system for malware and unwanted programs. Now wait until Malwarebytes finishes scanning your computer for malware. When the scan has completed, select all detected malware infections if found and then press the Quarantine Selected button to remove all threats from your computer. Wait until Malwarebytes removes all infections from your system and then restart your computer.